Hey guys, it's Jaime Zabidi. Wanted to put out a quick video and share something that I thought was very interesting with you. This is an older product, just started working on it. It's been around for years though. And I was doing some product research on the competition and I saw a few keywords that I thought we really should be indexed for and we should be ranking well for, but it wasn't in our listing. So I added it into our listing and right away, Amazon started to rank us. We didn't even need to do ads on it. It was just really incredible. I want to show you over here. And it's crazy because one keyword affected the other keywords. So over here, we were in the 293rd spot. I put this in our bullets and in our description and 293rd spot on 528. And now you can look over here, 6-9, 2 weeks later, we're in the 168th spot. And this term is very similar to this term. And look what happened over here. We were in the 43rd spot. Now we're in the 11th spot. This one, we were in the 258th spot. The next day, we were the 220th spot. And now we're in the 152nd spot. It's still taking time to register in Amazon's back end, but we didn't even need to do ads in order to get this, which was really incredible. And yeah, you guys got to make sure that the right keywords in the right order. You're not going past your character lengths. Got to make sure you're not going past the 250 bytes in the search terms bar. And yeah, just make sure the listing is properly optimized. Do keyword research. Even if the listing has been doing well for so long, you never know what you're missing. You could always find keywords that you could add. I don't believe in taking out keywords. You know, if a keyword is working very well for you, don't take it out, but definitely add it where you can. It'll definitely make a big difference. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.